In this tutorial, we are going to learn about linear programming and its minimization cases. So let's have a look at the question. Faraz needs fat and proteins to satisfy his dietary requirements. The minimum requirement is 11 units of fat and 5 units of protein, and this is weekly. The other details are given below. So if we look at the problem, they have already tabulated it. So cost, they've given it for meat and cheese per pound. So this is 3.1 for meat per pound and 4.3 for cheese. And if we look at fat and protein, so meat gives us 2 units of fat per pound, whereas cheese gives us 3 units of fat per pound. And the minimum requirement per week is 11 units. Similarly, for protein, meat gives us 2 units of protein, whereas cheese gives us 1 unit of protein per pound. And the minimum he has to have during 1 week is 5 units of protein. So the question says that how many pounds of each are required to fulfill the minimum requirements at minimum cost. So as we can see, this is a minimization problem. So the first thing that we need to make sure is that we have the solver in our data analysis pack. So let me just go to data, and as I can see here, I already have solver here. So if you don't have it, then you need to go to the file tab, go to the options, and I've explained it already in the maximization case also. So we go to the add-ins tab and you select solver here, press go, and just check this button for solver and press OK. So now you will notice that you have a solver tab here showing up in data tab. So let's start our question. First, I'll just copy this information and paste it here. In case it was not given to you in tabulated version, then you can make your own table out of the question. We'll copy this information as well. Let me just paste it here. Now what we need to find out is that how many units of both meat and cheese we need to consume in order to minimize the cost, right? So since we don't know the answer, I'll just write 0 here. Now the next step we have to do is we have to formulate our constraints. So either we can do it manually or we can use the formula of sum product. So let me just do it manually first. So B17 into B20 plus, you can see the cells which are being colored, C17 into C20. I'll press enter and I've got 0 here. Now the same thing I can do easily with the sum product formula. So let me just delete it and use sum product. So now I just have to mention the arrays. So the first array is that of fat. I'll press comma. Then I'll select the another array which is for units. Now because I want this to remain fixed, so I can press F4 and we will get the $ against the reference, and this fixes our reference to the second array. So I'll press enter. This is 0. The reason being we have units as 0. So if I change it here, let's say I change it to 5. So you see this is also changing to 15. Now let's keep it to 0 again. I'll type in the same formula for the next column also. So my first array is that of protein requirement and the second array is that of units required. I'll close the bracket and press 0. So these are our constraints. The next thing that I need to find out is formulate my objective function. So that will be my total cost. So again I'll write down the sum product formula. Now my first array will be cost per pound for both meat and cheese. Now this will be multiplied by the units. I'll close the bracket, then press enter. Now this cell is what we need to minimize. As they said in the question that we have to minimize the cost. So now I'll go to my solver tab. Let's reset everything. So in the set objective function, I have to specify this cell. So they will automatically select G20. Now I have to select the minimize by changing variable cells. So in this we will select the unit cells. Now we have to formulate the constraints. So I'll press add. The first thing is the requirement of fat, and this has to be at least greater than equal to this, which is my minimum requirement for week. So this is the minimum fat that they require during the week. So that, which is 11 units. So I'll add this constraint. Now the next constraint is that of the protein. So the minimum protein he needs to have during week is 5 units. So I'll specify this and I'll add the constraint. Now I'll close this. So my constraints are added. Now I have to select a solving method, which is simplex LP, because GRG nonlinear and evolutionary both are for nonlinear problems. So I'll go by simplex LP and I'll click on solve. So it is telling us solver has found a solution. All constraints and optimality conditions are satisfied. So I'll press OK and we are done here. So as you can see, my total cost comes to 16 rupee, and according to this solution which solver has given us, I should buy 1 unit of meat and 3 units of cheese per pound, right? So that is it for a minimization problem. Thank you for listening.